Welcome back, RC enthusiasts. And today we have a special treat. We've got a Syma 107S, Syma 107S, and we have a nice little controller here. It's got the up and down stick, and it has a right gimbal, which is a special treat for you. It's a 3.5 channel helicopter. This does stay in position, so if you throttle up a little bit and want to leave it there, let it hover, it will. Or if you want to correct it with a little yaw or some forward or rear authority, it will. Basically, cool little helicopter. Syma's been around for a long time. There's a AB channel on the top of the controller, so you can fly two of these little guys at once. The charging cable, very simple, plugs into the side of the helicopter, the left-hand side of the helicopter, and would charge into your computer, laptop, charging port for your, say, your cell phone or something like that. Anything that plugs into the USB return. So yeah, that plugs into the side nicely, and it's got a good fit. So I do believe our helicopter is charged. Yes, it is charged. We'll turn it on in a second if I can find the switch. And it has a red and blue flashing LED. Our remote is equipped with 6 AA batteries. That doesn't come included. You got to buy those yourselves. I do recommend rechargeables. Once these batteries go on me, I will be using rechargeables, because this controller I have is going to be controlling 3 helicopters, not all simultaneously, but individually. I have 3 little indoor flyers. These are an infrared controller, so you can't fly outside. Unfortunately, they don't do well in sunlight. Indoor helicopter is the best you'll get. Let's take her up. That wasn't very good lift. Let's take her up.
And down.
And down. They are very durable, very resilient to crashes. See, I had no damage. The blades aren't chipped. The balance bar is all right. Oh, I picked this helipad up from Wish for $5 plus $5 or $10 shipping, so about $15 in total. And it's a 55 centimeter one. I didn't get the 75 centimeter one. But this is a cool little thing. You can practice your takeoffs and landings. Try and land it within the circle, or, you know, what have you. But no, pretty cool little flyer, this guy. Anyways, thank you. That's all from the RC enthusiasts.
You don't want to go one little round just in case I
think
miss?
I got the landing pretty good.
You did a pretty good landing.
We'll take her up.
I kind of missed a little bit of it.
Ah.
We'll just give them a better shot of it. That's a nice shot. That's good. She flies real good.
It's a good flyer, this helicopter. For a kid's 3.5 channel helicopter, it's pretty good. I don't understand where they get the 0.5 channel. Could be the lights. Mind you, it's got yaw left, yaw right, up, down with the throttle, forward, backward. Yeah, it does everything. Well, I guess the forward, backward, left, right, up, down is 3 channels. So yeah.
And we'll take that as a good go.
I'll take it. Thank you for